Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI.
My family and I have been traveling a lot lately, and our luggage was not holding up to the test. We needed to get something a little nicer, and man, are we happy with what we have. This beautiful checked bag from XXnetic is exactly what we needed and more. I absolutely love how easy it wheels right through all of the obstacles in the airport. Took it up and down escalators, in and out of elevators. We took it from hardwood to carpet, and it was gliding with us everywhere that we took it. Another thing that we really love about it is the material that it's made out of. Not only does it have this wonderful design on it that's going to stand out in baggage claim so you know which one is yours, it also is going to keep your belongings very safe for many, many years. We love how sturdy it is, how stable it is, and we know that everything is well protected on the inside. It also comes with 2 handles so you can carry it whichever way you're comfortable, or it has the easy slide out bar for you to just pull it along with you. I have found that everything about this suitcase is well made. The zippers are good and sturdy. I know that my family, especially my teenage daughter, is kind of rough on suitcases. She packs them as full as she can get them, and then it's rough on the zipper. But this is going to stand up to even what a teenager can throw at it. This is a large capacity suitcase. This is 28 inches, and I love the capacity of it. I managed to fit 5 days worth of clothing for myself and my husband, including pajamas and hoodies. And then I locked it up for TSA and it was ready to roll. So if you are ready for an upgrade to your luggage that makes you feel like you're ready to see the world, you have found it.
And that's my point of view.